Nested if else. The nested if else statement is used when a program requires more than one test expression. So this is the syntax of nested if else, where we have more than one expression to validate and execute the statement. Hi, in this example let's look at nested if else condition. So let's make a scenario where if a number is less than 10, then we are gonna check whether the entered number is even or odd. If it's greater than 10, we'll display a message of the entered number is greater than 10. This is a simple example for the nested if else case. Let's type in the message, and in this I'm using the variable where I'm asking the user to enter a value, and here in the next line I'm reading the value from whatever the user has entered in the console, and we are storing the value to the num variable. And let's have our condition: if number is less than 10, then let's have one condition: if an entered number is less than 10, let's print console dot write line enter number is less than 10. Okay, else console dot write line entered number is greater than 10. So this is one of the if else statement. And in the first nested if else condition, let's check whether the entered number, if it's the number which is entered less than 10, is it even or odd. Let's make that condition. So for the even or odd, we have a reminder condition check. If the number is less than this, if the remainder is 0, then we'll print even. Else will print odd. Okay, let's look at the program. This is a main method. In this we are printing a line in the console to ask user to enter a value, and whatever the user enters a value in the console will be read and it will be stored in the num variable. And in this let's have if condition where we are checking whether the number is less than 10. If it's less than 10, then we are going to print entered number is less than 10 message to the console. And also we have one more condition to check the entered number is even or odd, where we will be checking for the remainder condition where a number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, so that if the remainder is 0, then we are going to print entered number is even, else we are going to print odd. This is one of the example for the nested if else. So if a number is greater than 10, we are going to directly display number is greater than 10 to our output. Let's run the program. Let's enter 9. It says entered number is less than 10 and entered number is odd. Let's do a code walkthrough. Initially it writes a message to the console to ask user to enter a value, and let's have 9 from the example. and right now it is checking for a condition where number is less than 10 and it is true, condition is satisfied. So it enters in if block, writes the message enter number is less than 10 into the console, and it also checks whether there is a reminder condition to print even or odd. So there is a reminder of 1, hence the condition will fail in the if, so else block code will be executed and we are gonna write entered number is odd. Let's have one more example where I will print number 100. So here we are coming with a number 100. So 100 is less than 10, so the condition failed. We are directly going to the else block and type entered number is greater than 10. This is one of the example for nested if else condition.